So what we're going to do is, to begin everything, we're going to look at a really quick example. So 6 amps of current passes through a lamp in 4 seconds. Calculate how many electrons have passed through in this time. So we know at the moment I is equal to 6 amps. Time is equal to 4 seconds, so we're after charge. Basically, we've got I and T. We're after how many charge, because the electrons have a charge, so we can measure how many electrons have passed through. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to use this equation, Q equals IT, and it becomes 6 times by 4, so we've got 24 coulombs of charge. So what we do now is, to work out how many electrons, we take how much charge there is in total and we divide it by the charge of one of these electrons, which is minus 1.6 times by 10 to the minus 19. So we do that and we can work out how many electrons have passed in a certain time frame. So in this one, you don't really need the minus here because we're looking at how many of something there is. So in this one, 1.5 times by 10 to the 20 electrons have passed in 4 seconds. So that's a hell of a lot of electrons that have passed through this circuit. It just gives you an idea of how small the electron is compared to something larger, and how many pass through in a certain time frame.